Have you been trying endlessly to grow your hair and it seems like it's just impossible? Then this video is for you because I was once like you and I want you to watch every part of this video so you don't miss the important tips contained in it. The first thing you'll be needing is 1 tablespoon of rosemary. This helps to stimulate the hair follicles. Next is 1 tablespoon of cloves. This one helps to make the hair grow stronger and faster, and it helps to strengthen the strands. And together we're going to put those two in the blender and blend them. Now we don't want this mix to blend into a smooth powder. Now we want it to still have the granules in it, so basically a semi-smooth texture. And here we go, we have the perfect texture that we need, just like this. And as we go along, I'm going to explain to you why we needed it to be in this texture. So next we're going to get a bigger bowl, or as you wish, and we're going to be putting our shea butter into the bowl. I can't really tell the quantity, but just use your judgment and put that in. For me that was a bit too small, so I had to add some more bits into the the one I had put before. By the way, shea butter helps moisturize the hair. So now we have added them our mix, and then we proceed to add this oil, almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamins E, A, and B, which are essential nutrients for our hairs. Next, we're going to add some coconut oil. This one helps retain the length of your hair and prevents breakage. Basically, this is actually solid, so I put 1 tablespoon of it. You can use your personal judgment to know how much to put. And together we're going to heat that up in a pan. There is water in the base of the pan, so not like direct heat. We just need a minimal slow heat, and we just keep mixing and mixing and mixing until the entire mix is has incorporated into each other. That's the essence of this. That's why we didn't just go straight to maybe like do a fast one with the microwave. So we just keep mixing and mixing until everything is totally melted. And here we already have a thoroughly mixed and melted recipe. So we're just going to grab a sieve. You can use a sieve or scarf, or a net, but for me I use my hair cap, and you can also use that. And what we just do is to sieve the our mix, our hair growth mix. Now you see the reason why we didn't have to do a very fine granule blend, because the particles are going to be massive and it's going to be a mess on the hair. I mean, we don't want to be carrying a dirty hair all over. So we're just going to sieve that, and you can see the all that has come out of the mix of our mix. So yeah, just squeeze that, squeeze, and you can do whatever you like with the shaft. Now don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, please. Thank you. So in a larger bowl we pour our mix, and what I'm doing is I didn't know what I was thinking, and I forgot to like clean this bowl before I poured that oil. So that's what I was trying to do, and to get the perfect sieve out of it. So I was just trying to make sure the oil is perfectly clean. And yeah, now that we have our mix, we're just going to proceed and put that in the freezer for like 30 minutes. I mean, I put mine for too long, and it really gave me a hard time mixing. So you just mix with the hand blend. Oh, I use the hand blender. If you don't have it, just you can find a spatula or a wooden stick, and just make sure you see that it was almost falling off. So I had to just put in the microwave, and it's quite much easier. So just in case you encounter such problem when you're making yours, that's how to handle it. Place it in the microwave for a little while, maybe like 2 minutes, 2 seconds rather, and you just have your, you know, a softer batter. Next, we'll need some castor oil. I used tablespoonful of castor oil. It helps the hair to be full and dense. Next, I added some peppermint oil, also a tablespoonful, and it has a very strong antibacterial and antifungal property. Next is the hemp oil, and that is rich in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, and actually helps for length retention. Next, I added lavender oil. Lavender oil supports scalp health, and I added a bit more of the peppermint oil so it could balance the fragrance of the entire mix. And then we just keep mixing, or we mix everything together very well, and just use a mixer to perfect everything, either a electric mixer or hand mixer, that would do. And now we have the perfect hair butter for that magic hair growth. I mean, this works like magic. We're just going to scoop that into a bowl. Use your preferred bowl, something you can easily scoop from, not something deep, if I must advise. And you can see how good that looks. It works as good as well. I've never seen a perfect mix. This works like more than the store-bought hair creams, texturizers, or whatever. This is just, and this is going to last you for how long, and you can decide to make more and more. I mean, this is a lot already. Now to my candid advice. This, depending on the shea butter you use, this might just get a bit solidified. All you have to do is bring it out in the bowl and just place in hot water, and maybe for a few seconds, and it's going to be melted just like this. Just don't make it last long, otherwise it will be watery, like just become like oil. And let me show you how I apply this. Apply from the root to the scalp and to the hair strands, and you can see how healthy my hair is now. I mean, compared to what it was 6 months ago. Just look at the magic. Can you see that? Just make sure to use this, like use it consistently. And was this video helpful? Simply click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next one. Cheers.